Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Jonathan Ray, your friendly neighbor here, right here. Alright, this is Jonathan Ray. I am here showing you my WCW World Championship Wrestling Street Rods. Oh, Nitro-Street Rods. Because I believe they used to call themselves Monday Night Nitro. This is from the World War III Collector Series. This is by Racing Champions. This is one of 19,998 made, and this is one of the few ones that is still unopened. So this was purchased by me. I'm the original owner, and I have, as you see, never opened it. This is when Rey Mysterio was still going by Rey Mysterio Jr. A lot of people know Rey Mysterio has always been Rey Mysterio Jr., but a lot of times he gets billed as Rey Mysterio, which is awesome because he is one of the awesomest wrestlers. Rey Mysterio is one of my most favorite wrestlers, and if you look, I want to show you if I can get the glare off of here for one thing. Okay, notice the mask Rey is wearing does not have the cross on it like it normally does. This one has a crown. This is a much earlier version of Rey's mask than the one we're used to now. Also, I want to show you, check out Rey. Not seeing too many tattoos on there, are we? Now, Rey's got a lot more tattoos on his body now than he did way back. This, I believe, there's Sting. Oh, yeah, Sting is beautiful. I believe this is from if we can get it in there, that is 1998. That's my hand. Rockstar hand. Alright, so WCW World Championship Wrestling, there's Sting. But we don't really want to focus on Sting right now. We want to talk about the man, Rey Mysterio. This is an awesome toy. So this is a 1998 toy. That puts this at being 20 years old this year. This is a 20-year-old toy. So I guess this would qualify as vintage. Now let's see if we can get a good look at the car without the glare, of course, as much as possible. Let's see, WCW official license seal right there. Dun dun dun. Let's see if we can check. Oh, bad. Check out the front of the car. Can you see the front of the car's got Rey's mask head right there on the hood, and then on the top of the car, if we can get that glare off of there. If we can get the glare off, and my glasses don't fall off, which they did. My glasses fell off. That's why we're having a little technical difficulties here, folks, but that's okay because we don't edit. It's strictly one and done here. So there you see Rey's mask is on the top of the car. Let's see. Oh, I think it says, I think that on the trunk there it says the World War III, which would be this decal here is right there. It says Rey Mysterio Jr. And this is the bottom detail. So it's pretty cool. I like this car. It's one of my favorite. Rey Mysterio is one of my most favorite wrestlers of all time. Me personally, I know I'm going to probably hear about this, but my most favorite wrestler, there's two guys that just are my utmost two top favorite wrestlers of all time, and that is Jerry the King Lawler and Superstar Bill Dundee. And they are just awesome guys. And they are truly impressive in the world of professional wrestling. But let's get back to Rey Mysterio now. A lot of people may not know that Rey, his uncle, was Rey Mysterio, but he took on the name Rey Mysterio Jr., and I love this guy. He's an awesome wrestler, and I can't wait to see him come back to WWE. WCW. WCW's been gone for a long time, Johnny. Those were the good old days. WCW. Let's just take a pan all the way down. Get a good look. This awesome car. It is just one of the many things as a part of my collection. And of course, here's the back. And there's old Sting Buddy again. Yeah. Alright, so basically, if you would like to see more of my professional wrestling collection, toys, magazines, trading cards, everything I have, just let me know. I'll be glad to show it on here. I'll try to make better videos than this, but this is like the inaugural video. I want you guys to leave comments. I need subscribers to my channel. I need comments. I need feedback. I need to know, hey, are you interested in this or are you not interested in this? And I tell you what, if you are interested in this, the next video, I promise, I'll try to make even better. I'll try to redo this video and make it even better, but this is what we got the first go around. Like I said, one of my most favorite wrestlers, one of my top favorite wrestlers, Rey Mysterio Jr., baby. Thank you, and good night. Leave a comment in the comments. Subscribe to my channel. Watch my other videos. Love me, love me, love me. I'm Johnny Ray. Booyah!